Hey, so how do we lower this bridge?
I've been thinking about this. We lost a good man getting this goddamn thing up. I'm not real happy about putting it back down again.
So what? You gonna live up here?
Look, brother, we lost a good man. Another one is hurt. We can't get that generator filled up until Lewis is back on his feet.
Francis, we talked about this. We're gonna help them. We'll lower the bridge, but you gotta fill up the generator for us to lower it. That helps us both.
Sounds fair. We do this and get back to the car.
Heads up!
Sounds like you're a jockey.
I'm reloading.
Got it! I got it! I got one.
Watch out!
I got this one!
Behind you!
Got it!
Reload. Watch out!
Smoke pussycat. Heads up. Take this.
I got one.
Reloading.
I got this one.
Reloading.
Reloading. I got it.
Reloading.
Reloading!
Got him.
Nice shot, Ace. Reloading! Reloading!
Got it.
Reloading.
I got this one. I got one. Fire in the hole. I got it.
Hey, keep shooting! Keep shooting! Reloading.
Reloading. Here. Be safe.
Grabbing a shot.
I got this one.
I'm reloading.
I got one. I got it.
Watch out!
I got it. I got this one.
Reloading.
I got this can.
We got it.
Got it. Got a can. I got one.
Charger!
Pour on the can. Still need five. I got this. Filling the generator.
Nice job!
Good mine.
You want it? Just three more.
Gotta reload!
Reloading.
got one.
Watch out!
More in the can.
Hey, I'm reloading.
Just two more.
Kill the Charger! I'm a reload.
I got it.
Someone shoot this goddamn thing!
Got a can. One more to go.
Watch out!
I'm down.
Reloading. On the move, let's go.
Reloading. Thanks.
Not dead yet.
All good
You're
now.
gonna need this!
Got it.
I should probably save this for me.
I got this can. It's on.
Reloading.
Get to the car. We gotta run. Go.